Framer versus Webflow versus Figma. Which one should you be using to build websites? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down Framer, Webflow, and Figma so you can figure out which one actually fits your workflow and goals. Let's start with Figma. Figma is a design tool, not technically a website builder. It's perfect if you're designing sites or apps and collaborating with others. Great for mock-ups, prototyping, and teamwork, but to launch a real site, you'll still need to hand it off to a dev or use another tool. Now let's talk about Webflow. Webflow gives you full control over your site, no coding needed. You design directly in the browser and publish live. Perfect for designers who want to build beautiful, responsive websites with animations, CMS features, and custom layouts, all without writing HTML or CSS from scratch. Finally, there's Framer. Framer used to be more of a design tool like Figma, but now it's turned into a full AI-powered website builder. Super fast to build with. Great for creators and agencies who want to turn designs into live sites instantly. Recently added AI tools that generate whole pages based on text prompts. Very cool. So which one is better? If you're a designer or agency focused on planning and prototyping, go with Figma. If you want full design control and advanced web features, Webflow wins. And if you're a creator or freelancer looking to build fast with modern AI tools, Framer might be your best bet. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.